Black Sea here. It's quite smaller than the Lee that I had. It's like my pinky size. But I just wanted to try this. I know it's not ripe, but just want to try the flavor when we have the really fully ripened Lee and we have a almost ripened Black Sea. Oh, it's so small. This is the seed. So for this one, it is sweeter. I can taste the sweetness, but it doesn't have a lot of flesh. It probably will be better once it matures, but right now, you know, it's small, it's young, so it's still developing. But at least it is sweet and it's likable.